sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're tuning in with me today because today is another special day. We are here at Skye Canyon in Las Vegas, Northwest Las Vegas, and we're here at the motorhome by Lennar. And with Lennar, everything's included. They have that trademark, so I'm pretty excited about that. Before we proceed with the tour, please let us do three things. One, let us subscribe to this channel, let us like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. Alright guys, before we proceed also, you may want to check my channel page after this video so that you will be able to see some of the other tours that you may have missed. Alright guys, I'm super excited. Let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the home. We are here at the Cooper model. There's a balcony there which is really nice. Really nice stonework here. And we are going to take a look at this. This is approximately 1,560 square feet. And that is your two-car garage. And this is the entrance to the house. Oh wow, this is immediately upon opening the door, you will be greeted by this open area here. Right? Kitchen is here, dining is there, and then living room area is here. I'm gonna check out the corner of this house. So that is how it looks like. That's the door we enter. And this is how it looks like when you're at the corner of this living room area. Let's check out your kitchen. Really nice counter here. This is a quartz, I think, and really nice shakers. You have here stove and microwave. And again, guys, this is very nice because Lennar always put this water filtration system that you can have clean and fresh water all the time. Everything's included, but they normally just upgrade are the flooring and backsplash. So this is another section here. Right, they extended the cabinetry here so that it is much more, so you have more space to store. What is in here? Oh, okay, so they have a half bathroom. Look guys. And I'm seeing something here. Okay, so there's another storage area here where you can store your seasonal stuff. They actually maximize the storage because even in the half bathroom there is a storage area. This is the garage. You can get the future car charger there for your green cars. Ooh, this is very spacious. Even though this is small, it looks small in the video, but once you go here, this is very spacious. Let's check out your dining, right? This is your dining area. Nice mirror. Hello guys. And this is how it looks like. once you are here on the section of your dining area. Okay, so since we're seeing the stairs, let's go upstairs, right? Okay, let's check out what's happening with your second floor. Left, right. Let's go to the left first. Oh wow, immediately upon going to the left, you can see your owner's bedroom. This is a very, very large owner's bedroom. There is a walk-in closet here. Pretty good size, not the biggest, but at the same time, it is very, very convenient, or just enough, I think. There is a balcony. Hopefully we can check that out. Hello guys. So this is your double sink. Everything's included except for the flooring or backsplash. Okay, so you have your toilet area there. And that's your shower. It's a pretty simple design. Nothing special, but definitely you can upgrade if you want. Okay, let's check out. This is really a very large window glass door here. It brings so much natural light inside. Let's check out the sun. Here is your balcony. You know, it's very, very open here, meaning usually they put the cement, right, for your railing, but they put it really open like this, like a metal railing, that makes it more spacious in appearance. And that is the sunset there. You get a sunset when you live here in Skye Canyon. And this is your community. That's the mountain there. Yeah, this is a booming community. There's a lot of restaurants when I was driving around. So definitely an easy access to the freeway, which give you an ability to go to the strip easily. Okay, so this is your primary bedroom. Oh, I realized there is something here. So you can definitely have your kids do their homework here, or you can have that as an office space. Let's check out what's happening here. This is a secondary bedroom. Pretty spacious. You can actually put like a queen size bed there. Look at the mountains, guys. That is the mountain here. I think it's Mount Charleston, if I'm not mistaken. They put this very elegant wall design, and this is how it looks like. That's your closet there, pretty standard. And then this is the laundry area. Oh, this is a very big laundry area for this square footage of a house. Yeah, you can definitely have some more storage spaces here. Like put a lot of cabinetries there. Right? And this is another secondary bedroom, really spacious. And again, they have this mountain views here. We are very near the freeway, but it's so silent here. That means the insulation is very good. And I believe this is the full bathroom. Let me open the lights. Yes. So this is the full bathroom shared by the secondary bedroom. Pretty standard, nothing special. Hello guys. Whenever I see a mirror, I'm always inclined to say hi to you, all of you guys who are watching this video. Please comment down below. What do you think of this home? And let's go down and check out your backyard. And this is how it looks like when you're going down your stairs. Immediately you can see your beautiful dining area. This is also very large. Really nice that Lennar is including these sliding doors. Very helpful. Ooh, look at your backyard, guys. Really nice pergola there. I believe you can put like a very, very small swimming pool here. And they have this nice stonework there. Really nice greenery here too. And look at this, guys. This is your backyard. And you have a fireplace here. Yeah, I think you can put like a small swimming pool somewhere here, like a rectangular one. This is how it looks like when you're at the corner of this backyard. Pretty simple, easy to maintain backyard. This is really nice. Okay, we're back here on the main living area. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos, so that every time I post something, you'll be able to see it right away. This again is your main living area. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share this video to your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe down below so that every time I post a video, you'll be able to see it. And also check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there for you to enjoy. And also, I appreciate your subscription to the channel, guys. We are growing, and have an amazing day.